We all know that fruits and vegetables are the cornerstones of a healthy diet, but have you ever considered the powerful synergy that comes from combining them? Today, we're exploring an unlikely but incredibly effective pairing: carrots and lemons. These two nutritional powerhouses, when combined, offer a wide range of health benefits that can supercharge your well-being. Carrots, with their vibrant orange hue, are a familiar sight in our kitchens. Lemons, on the other hand, bring a burst of tangy freshness to our meals. What may surprise you is the incredible synergy that happens when you bring these two together. Get ready to unlock a new level of health by harnessing the combined power of carrots and lemons. This isn't just about adding more fruits and veggies to your plate. It's about understanding the unique interplay between these two nutritional powerhouses. From boosting your immunity to enhancing your skin's radiance, get ready to discover the transformative potential of carrots and lemons. The humble carrot, often relegated to the side of a plate, is a nutritional powerhouse deserving of the spotlight. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, carrots are a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in countless ways. Crunchy, sweet, and incredibly good for you, carrots are a must-have in any health-conscious individual's diet. One of the most well-known benefits of carrots is their rich beta-carotene content. This powerful antioxidant is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, particularly night vision. Carrots are also an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which are essential for digestive health and promoting regular bowel movements. But the benefits don't stop there. Carrots are also a good source of vitamins C and K, as well as potassium and manganese. These nutrients play vital roles in supporting immune function, bone health, and blood sugar regulation. Adding carrots to your diet is a simple yet effective way to boost your nutrient intake and support your overall well-being. Lemons, with their bright yellow skin and tangy aroma, are a refreshing and versatile citrus fruit. Known for their high vitamin C content, lemons have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. From boosting immunity to aiding digestion, lemons offer a wealth of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, is abundant in lemons. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in protecting the body from free radical damage, boosting collagen production for healthy skin, and strengthening the immune system. Lemons are also a good source of flavonoids, plant compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond vitamin C, lemons contain small amounts of other essential nutrients like potassium, folate, and vitamin B6. Lemons are also surprisingly versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways beyond just squeezing their juice. Add lemon zest to your favorite recipes for a burst of flavor, or use lemon slices to infuse water with a refreshing citrusy twist. Individually, carrots and lemons are nutritional powerhouses, but when combined, their benefits are amplified, creating a synergy that unlocks a whole new level of health. This dynamic duo, with their complementary nutrients and diverse health benefits, offers a simple yet effective way to supercharge your well-being. The sweetness of carrots perfectly balances the tangy tartness of lemons, making for a delicious and refreshing flavor combination. But the real magic happens on a nutritional level. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Lemons, on the other hand, are packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient that enhances the absorption of iron from plant-based foods like carrots. This means that by enjoying carrots and lemons together, you're not only getting a wider range of nutrients, but also maximizing their absorption and utilization in the body. This powerful combination can lead to enhanced immune function, improved digestion, healthier skin, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. It's a simple yet effective way to nourish your body from the inside out. A strong immune system is our body's first line of defense against infections and illnesses. In today's world, where we're constantly exposed to various pathogens, it's more important than ever to strengthen our body's natural defenses. The powerful combination of carrots and lemons can play a significant role in boosting your immunity and keeping you healthy. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of our skin and mucous membranes. These act as barriers against harmful pathogens, preventing them from entering our bodies. Furthermore, vitamin A supports the production and function of white blood cells, the soldiers of our immune system that fight off infections. Lemons, on the other hand, are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system by boosting the production of white blood cells. Vitamin C also helps to protect these cells from damage caused by free radicals, ensuring their optimal function. The combined power of vitamin A from carrots and vitamin C from lemons creates a formidable defense against infections, keeping you healthy and resilient. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. It plays a vital role in digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste products. When our digestive system is functioning optimally, we experience increased energy levels, improved mood, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Carrots and lemons, with their unique nutritional profiles, can work wonders in promoting a healthy gut. Carrots are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance that helps to soften stool and promote regular bowel movements. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to stool, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. Lemons, while not a source of fiber, can aid digestion in other ways. The citric acid in lemons stimulates the production of digestive juices, which help to break down food and enhance nutrient absorption. Lemons can also help to relieve indigestion and bloating. Together, carrots and lemons provide a comprehensive approach to digestive health, ensuring your gut is functioning at its best. Our skin is the largest organ of our body, and its health is a reflection of our overall well-being. While countless skincare products promise miraculous results, true radiance starts from within. Carrots and lemons, with their abundance of vitamins, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients, can work wonders in enhancing your skin's health and giving you a natural glow. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is crucial for cell growth and repair, including skin cells. It helps to protect the skin from sun damage, reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and promotes a more even skin tone. Carrots are also a good source of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that contributes to collagen production, keeping the skin firm and supple. Lemons are renowned for their high vitamin C content, which, as mentioned earlier, is vital for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives our skin its structure and elasticity. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, but consuming foods rich in vitamin C like lemons can help to slow down this process and maintain skin's youthful appearance. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for overall well-being and longevity. Carrots and lemons, with their heart-healthy nutrients, can play a significant role in supporting cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Carrots are an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps to counteract the negative effects of sodium, which can elevate blood pressure levels. Carrots are also a good source of fiber, which can help to lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Lemons, while not typically associated with heart health, also offer benefits in this area. The citric acid in lemons has been shown to have a mild blood-thinning effect, which can improve blood flow and reduce the risk of blood clots. Lemons are also a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help to protect the arteries from damage caused by free radicals. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for overall health and well-being. It can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. While there's no magic bullet for weight loss, incorporating nutrient-rich, low-calorie foods like carrots and lemons into your diet can support your weight management goals. Carrots are incredibly low in calories, with 1 cup of raw carrots containing only about 50 calories. They're also a good source of fiber, which adds bulk to the diet and promotes feelings of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. The natural sweetness of carrots can also satisfy sweet cravings without derailing your diet. Lemons, similar to carrots, are very low in calories, with 1 lemon containing only about 20 calories. The citric acid in lemons can also aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and increasing the body's ability to burn fat. Adding lemon juice to water or tea can be a refreshing and calorie-free alternative to sugary drinks. The journey to optimal health doesn't have to be complicated. Simple dietary changes like incorporating more carrots into your diet can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. These two nutritional powerhouses, when combined, offer a wide range of health benefits, from boosting immunity to promoting radiant skin. Embrace the versatility of these ingredients and experiment with different ways to include them in your daily routine. Whether it's enjoying a refreshing glass of carrot and lemon juice in the morning, adding grated carrots to your salads, or squeezing lemon juice over your grilled fish, the possibilities are endless. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results over time. Start incorporating carrots and lemons into your diet today and experience the transformative power of these nutritional superstars. Your body will thank you for it.